So, good day guys. Gagawa tayo ng is number 1. Well, it is an Altero SQL injection. So, maglalagin na tayo sa Altero admin quotation. Tas sa password naman is anything na lang. So, yan, nakapasok na tayo sa web. And ito yung format ng admin. Select from username equals admin or 1 quotation equals 1 and the password is anything na lang. Or pero ito yung ginamit ko. Select from username admin quotation and yung password is anything na lang. So yun lang guys, tapos na tayo.